Hi, welcome to Food and Family. It's Mother's Day, and my son is cooking me loose meat burgers. We teased about calling it bovine on the loose.
Burgers, we're going to let them cook like a regular burger. In a little bit, we'll show you what we're going to do to make them loose meat burgers. Put some onion on.
Now, do you put oil or anything under your onions?
No.
Just put them on the
like
griddle?
It is, yeah. It looks like it's getting dry, you can always get a little squirt bottle with oil.
Okay.
I like using my fingers.
Oh, I tell you, when that onion hits that hot pan, you can start smelling them, can't you?
Oh, yeah.
That smells good.
A little salt and pepper on the onion.
And we season the burgers with a steak butter seasoning from Pepper Palace.
Jalapeno steak butter.
Yeah, jalapeno steak butter.
A little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic salt.
A little garlic powder. So, and what are you going to put on the onions? Just
a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
That'll be it. Flip of burgers one time.
Oh, you got a good crust on that.
Ooh, look at that one.
So you just flip them once.
Yeah, we'll flip them once. And then later, of course, make them loose meat.
Then you get a good...
We'll chop them up. And we'll move our onions over in them. Then what we're going to do after that, we're going to take our cheese, whatever cheese you like, and lay it over the top. You'll see that coming up soon.
Alright, we're going to put some of this jalapeno steak butter seasoning on it. Oh, it's good.
We're going to put it on the onion.
It smells so good. We put it in the burger and decided we wanted some on the onions. Oh my goodness, y'all.
We'll get the spatula here.
We need smell a video.
Go ahead and spatch these up. Loose.
Okay, now I see what you're doing.
Do that.
So they're going to cook some more after you get them smashed up. If you want it well done, it's still going to continue to cook.
Absolutely. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And what I'm going to do, take these onions, put them right in there. We ain't done. So let me do this and we'll come right back.
Oh, you get up in here and see what we're doing now.
Okay.
We got here Bruce's Smoke Shack.
We're going to slap some cheese on them. Slap it
on there. Wow.
Just cover it. Ain't got to be nothing pretty.
Kind of like crash burgers.
There you go.
Not smash burgers.
We thought about calling them bovine on the loose, Chris.
Ooh, bovine on the loose.
Now we got one
right
piece left. You know what? We can put it on there.
We almost lost that piece. I saved it. Did a fine job.
No, thank you. Thank you. We're going to let that cheese melt. Meantime, I'm going to go get some buns. I'm going to heat them up.
Oh, see how that cheese is melting, Brandon? Oh my word. Now look at that crispy edge right there.
Yep.
That's the best part. I love it when the cheese does
Look at
that. Yes. I love it when the cheese does that. It's so good. Lucy put a little butter on the griddle, getting ready to put her buns on.
Put a few buns on here. Slap it on there.
He starts target collar after you.
Hold on a second, you can have one.
He had to go see his child is coming in. I love you.
Alright, we're back. We're about to make these up. Got our little toasted, like the toasted buns on the grill. That's what we gonna do. Take the bottom half. Let's start right here. Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
What you gonna do?
Look at that.
You just pick it up. Now these are messy.
Oh, the messier the better though, right?
Yeah.
If it ain't running down your arm. Ooh, wee.
A little challenge every now and then.
Yeah.
That's alright. That's alright.
Where's the birdie? Where's the bird? Where's the girl?
One up.
Hold your video.
Make your next one here.
Let's get a close-up shot of that. Looky there. Smash it down on there, huh?
That's right. And everything's just melting in there.
Mmm.
And there you are.
Looky there.